Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. To this video, I will introduce to you what is capacitor bank. See you guys.
This is 400 square millimeters by 4 core XLPE power cable. This cable is connected from capacitor bank up to switch gear. And now, the installation of cable gland. Before this cable laying under the trans, install the gland first. And this gland size is 75 L cable gland. This is the MCCB breaker termination for the capacitor bank power supply. Using this 400 mm squared XLPE cable, MCCB means molded case circuit beaker.
This one jaga apa? Pancer bak ya? Pancer bak ya? Baik, tekan.
And now, the termination of cable power supply from capacitor bank to the switch gear side.
Alas.
देखो कितनी तेज कटे लगा।
This is line 1, line 2, and line 3. And this is also the neutral and earthing terminal. And this is the fuse with 2 power capacities. 6 is for the 63 amps, 12 is for 125 amps. And now, introducing the capacitor bank with a power of 20 kVAr each. What is capacitor bank? Capacitor bank is a system consisting of several capacitors connected in series and parallel to form as energy storage system. Capacitor bank also is known as used for reactive power compensation and power factor corrections in the power substations. 1000 kVA power transformer use 10 units of capacitor bank with a power of 20 kVAr each. And this is the auxiliary contactor. I will show the schematic diagram on how the connection of this capacitor bank panel. As you can see, the fuse is connected to the phase, red, green, and blue. The above 6 fuse is 63 amps, below is 125 amps. It has happened because the fuse has double output wire connected to the auxiliary contactor with a power of 63 amp each from auxiliary contactor output connected to the 3-phase capacitor with a power of 20 kVAr each, and the body of the capacitor is connected to the earth and ground.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Arnold the Dessert TV. Thank you.